Hi, ka-Palminians. Ako po si Bencio Joby Abella, Grade 6, Section 3. Words of Inspiration. Life is a cycle of challenges, trials, and triumph. It is therefore critical to adopt a mindset of perseverance, unwavering faith and trust in the Almighty, and willingness to share our blessings to the needy, as this brings meaning to our existence. Yun lang po. God bless po sa ating lahat, and wish you an enjoyable and festive reunion. Hope to see you next year. Thank you.